Alright, so welcome back to the channel. This might look a bit different. I'm actually filming on my phone. I've got a new phone now, so I wanted to see what that would look like. But this will be my final video for 2021, even though it's coming out in 2022. It might not be a final send-off. I might do a 2021 recap video because we've done some freaking awesome stuff this year. I mean, we're talking trips like Simpson Desert, Broken Hill, all of those mega super cool trips, and then this car, learning to weld, doing all that stuff. So yeah, this will be most likely my final video unless I do a 2021 recap video. We'll get into it. We've got drifting. That's right, we get to go drifting. We get a ride along even with probably one of the best drivers you'll ever see, and we then get to go to a mega cool camp spot just for the weekend. It was a mega weekend. I thought I'd film it and it'll be a video, so we'll get into that now. We'll see you later. Cheers. so we've made it to the campsite. I'm not sure if I'm going to make this an actual video or not yet. I probably will, considering that this is a freaking cool campsite. But where we're staying is Ferguson's campsite. Now, it is dog friendly. We're in a state forest. Get out of the water. So you can bring your dog here. There's other people here way off that have got their dogs. So it is dog friendly. That's why we got Matzo with us. But you can stay. I shouldn't have done that. You can stay right up on the water. So it's just out of the Grampians, which is Western Victoria. My dog's weird. Seriously, there's something wrong with it. But no, so we are in the Western region of Victoria. So last episode you would have seen us, we would have been Eastern Victoria. Now this time we were in the West. This is just a family trip. So hi. But yeah, so Western region of Victoria. So it's about 4 hours drive from Melbourne, and you get this. So I'll be sleeping next to a lake tonight. So that is my last video for 2021, even though it's coming out in 2022. It sort of doesn't work, but 2021 has been a freaking awesome year, especially for the channel. I've gotten more and more done to this. Don't look at this, the Mav got a new fridge, but I've got more and more done to this car, to the Zook, than I thought I'd get. Actually, no, I've gotten a lot done. I would like to get more, but hopefully I'll get more done on this next year. And then we've had the Mav, which is behind the gate. The trips we've been able to do, I mean, Simpson Desert, Broken Hill, just, it's been an awesome year for me, especially with the channel. I've gained a few subscribers, 450 or something now, which is crazy. I didn't think I'd get that much. So thank you for watching this year. It has been an absolutely awesome year. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you like this video, give us a like, comment down below. Just thank you for 2021. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Let's see 2022 through. Let's hope we have a good year. I reckon we'll have a good year, and there's definitely more content on the channel to come. We've got this car, we've got the Mav. We might even do something on the Beetle. We might even do something on the Carmen. You never know. There is plenty more to come for an awesome 2022. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next year. Cheers.